About if else statements, we have to learn about it. Without if else statements, I don't think so any program is going to be created. Most of the programs will have if else statements. Here you need to notice the spellings very importantly. Elif, the spelling is what here? If you have to write it, then elif, else. How many elifs you want, that many elifs you can write it. It may be 0 or it may be a number. So only with if also I can write the code. Only with if and else combination I can write it. With if, one elif and else also I can write the statement. Whatever way you want, you can write it. Okay, first use case we are trying to do print given number is positive or negative or 0. Okay, let us do this one practically so that we'll get more clarity. Let us go and try to put into the practice. Now I have here previously we worked with the document. I'm in that one. We are going to learn here what is it? If elif, how many elifs I can have? N number of elifs I can have it. At final, if you want to put here, what we can put it? Else we can put it. First, I want to write program only with if. Suppose you know already by this time, if I want to accept a number from the user, I can accept it by using this statement, right? For our understanding, let me give this as a n. N is equal to some number, I am going to accept it. Then I am writing here first line of code, if statement. If is a one keyword. If is a one keyword. As you know, we have total 33 keywords are available. If you want to see those all keywords, you can write here import keywords module. Import keyword module. In this keyword module, I have here keyword dot. Then if you go and try to see keywords list, you'll able to understand we have here 33 keyword list. It is a list object. Then we have here 33 keywords are available. You already learned one of the keyword called as false, other keyword called as true, other keyword called as and. As also we learned about it, import numpy as np, import pandas as pd we are writing. And we already learned about one more thing that is called as here what we learned. Just now we went for the if. Okay, not also we learned about it. Or also we learned about it, right? So end of our course, we are going to learn all the keywords, 33, how we are going to learn about it. Okay, now if you see here the next one, I want to use one of the keyword that is called as what? If keyword, I want to use it. If followed by, we need to write here condition, we have to write it. Suppose if question mark we are putting an help document means we are not getting any help document. We are not getting any help document. Why? Because if is what? It's a keyword. It's not a function. Functions only will get the help document. Keywords we won't get the help document. Now I want to write here if followed by, generally we are going to write here condition, we are going to write here. What are we going to write here? Condition we supposed to write it. Condition followed by, we should have the colon. Then we have to write these statements after 4 spaces. We have to write it. 4 spaces are called as 4 spaces. You have to use it. These 4 spaces are useful. 4 spaces are useful to understand if body start and end point. Start and end point. And these 4 spaces are called as technically indentation. Even if you didn't type these 4 spaces, automatically we got it. Then here whatever body of lines you want to write here, you can write here body of lines of code. So whatever code you want, you can go and you can write here. Okay, let us try to put the condition. What I want the condition. My condition is the given number is positive or negative. I want to identify, for example. If the given number is greater than 0, I can say it is positive. Then the body also I am writing here, print statement I am writing. Print, F stands for formatted output. Then we are trying to write here the given number, what is the given number? N. If we want to call any variables, inside the formatted string, then we have to pass inside the curly brackets. The given number is positive, I am writing it. Then if I execute this one, then it is asking here some number. I provide the 20. What is the output it is given? The given number 20 is positive, it is saying. Now, okay, did you return here else statement? No. Only with if statement only we are able to manage it. Now let us extend this program to the else also. So to do that one more condition also I have here. I am writing this one inside the body of the if or outside the body of the if. Outside the body of the if. Body is started in the third line, ended in the fifth line. The 4 spaces whatever available here, that tells you where the body is starting, where the body is ending. This else if I am writing after the if body I am writing it. And I need to write here one condition again, because if is available here, we need to write one more condition. We are saying as if it is less than 0. If it is less than 0, then I want to write here this print statement as it is, copy it and try to paste here. We are saying as print the given number is, what is this? Negative. Now, if I go and try to write here -2, it's saying as the given number -2 is negative. Suppose if it is not positive, if it is not negative, I want to promote that as a 0. That is the last option. Then we can come out of the body part. We can write here else statement. Else will not have any condition. Else will not have any condition. Okay. Above else all are failed, then it will execute. Above else, how many things are there now? 2. Those 2 things are failed, then automatically it is going to execute. Now I want to print here, let us say the given number is 0, I want to print it. I want to print the given number is 0. Let us try to execute it. I am giving as 0, then this condition is failing, this condition also failing, then automatically come to the else. We are able to see the given number 0 is 0. The given number 0 is 0. Suppose same program I am executing one more time, I am giving here 100. What is the outcome? First one we are going to get it. If I write here, let us say one more time I am executing, then I am giving here -30. What is the outcome? Second one, -1, we are going to get it. So very easy to write the if statements inside the Python. Okay, you need to understand the terminology called as indentation. It is very good terminology that is useful to design body part of anything down the line also. It may be while loop you are writing, or for loop you are writing, on function you are writing, on class you are writing. Almost all phases we are going to use this indentation concept. We are going to use it. Indentation means 4 spaces, default what you are going to get it. If you don't love 4 spaces, you love the tab, you can use tab also, but we have to use tab used for first line, means for second line also tab only, third line also tab only. Out of these 3 lines, let us say, you cannot use different indentations, meaning for first line 2 spaces, second line 3 spaces, like that you should not use it. Consistently we have to use. System recommended is 4 spaces. Even did you notice it or not, I didn't type any spaces. The moment entered, automatically it's taking Fourth space is taking after fourth position only, starting the typing. This is called as if-else statement. This is one of the use case. The given number is positive or negative or 0. We'll see one more use case on this one. Let's practice this first.